our next performer is going to be Isabella, who is going to announce her piece and all that.
I am Isabella Jugravu, and I'm going to be playing a part of a ballade by Chopin.
And that was Isabella performing part of a Chopin ballade. I definitely think I caught some of where you were at the very end, but not much of it in terms of like sharing the music, but everything else was fine. All right, so I'm going to start the poll now, and you can start filling that out. And then if you have any verbal feedback, you can raise your hand. And anyone have any verbal feedback to give? None. Okay, so I'll call on someone. Emma, how about just meeting?
I think you could work on the coordination on some parts because you messed up a little bit, and move a little bit more.
Yeah. Good things to point out. Yeah. All right. I'll give you guys a few more seconds to fill out the poll since not everyone has filled that yet. All right. Cool. So wrap that up. Share the results. So let's take a look at the in terms of dynamics, everyone voted pretty good. So looking overall, yeah. There were some more subtle like accent marks and kind of that stuff. So I think personally, just because I had the music in front of me, um, I think there could be some sections where like you draw out the dynamic, like expand the dynamic range a little bit, since it kind of felt it was kind of in the middle. But overall, I think the expression of the dynamics wasn't too bad. Articulation, yeah, there wasn't too many issues with articulation. You got 2 votes for 4, 1 vote for 3. There's a few accent marks and tenutos and whatnot, but overall, the articulation was pretty good, I think. And then balance, didn't hear any major issues with balance, but you got 2 votes for 3 and 1 vote for 4. Phrasing, it was 2 votes for 4 and 1 vote for 3. So in terms of the phrasing, yeah, like a lot of the runs and the patterns, they're pretty clean, and how you voice them and kind of move through it was pretty nice. And then movement, there was 3 votes, 2 votes for 3 and 1 vote for 4. And definitely on the movement category, I would say, yeah, definitely. Even though it's still a draft, like definitely adding in a little bit more movement, especially within this piece since it kind of flows and runs through it. Right. Yeah. So I have those saved now. So